CCS for launch, roger.
110.
And valves locked.
$60.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
Mark it.
$40.
Stable at step 3. ECS reduced for launch. Status check.
Go Alice.
Go Centaur.
20. 15.
This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition, and we have liftoff. Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket, carrying the first Mobile User Objective System mission for the United States Navy. MUOS will significantly enhance communications for U.S. forces on the move. You're now hearing the voice of Marty Malinowski providing launch vehicle ascent data. Let's listen in for mission progress.
Mach 1. Max Q, vehicle has begun throttling up right on schedule. Engine response looks good.
Did you hear it?
SRB chamber pressures have plateaued, holding stable. Booster Pew is now in closed loop control. Engine response looks good. And the booster has begun its next throttle segment. Engine response looks good. Next event will be the SRB burnout. Chamber pressures continue to look good. And we're having SRB burnout. Signatures look good. And we've begun throttling back up right on time. And we have jettisoned solids 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Looks like clean separation. And we've